I'm Linda Grizely, and I'm the creator of the MeMoney Method. I'm a speaker, educator, and certified financial planner. But more than that, I'm a personal growth partner. My passion is helping people realize their full potential in life and with money. I know what it's like to start from nothing, and I know what it's like to start over.
I did grow up with limitations. My world was very small and it didn't stretch at all. And I lived life the way I knew how. I survived.
Because of my own journey, it took me, till I was like 50 years old to figure out about internal growth and what I really needed to do.
I knew I was making bold moves, and I knew there were many more bold moves to come.
You can't go back and change what has happened. You can't change the beginning, but you can start where you are and you can change the ending. There's a simple tool to empower yourself to achieve your financial goals. It involves setting aside an amount every month of what I call me money. Because I've found that the more you understand how you spend money on yourself, the better you're able to manage your finances as a whole. Getting clarity on your finances it's not about becoming a budgeting robot or sacrificing joy. It's just about reclaiming your relationship with money on your own terms.
I just had the pleasure of watching Linda give a talk on resiliency. It was just such an eye-opening talk.
Having that ability to help people think bigger and do more is important to me.
Audiences walk away with clarity about what they want, why it matters, and how to start making financial decisions that actually support their lives, not restrict them. Because when you stop putting yourself last, everything changes.
I have found to be so true for myself, thank you, Linda, that it isn't what knocks me down, and it isn't how long I stay down, it's the comeback. It's always about the comeback.
We create a structure that includes what lights you up, builds confidence, and supports your future. Because what's missing from your budget is your happiness, and you can't build a life you love on a budget you hate.